My name is Joe Heffey and I live in Rhyl. I was unemployed good 2-3 years and I finally ended up getting referred from a job centre to Rathbone, and that's how I ended up coming to the Taste Academy. I became depressed because of the lack of work and the lack of just not doing anything. Every day the same, just waking up with nothing to do. Going to the job centre to see if there's any jobs, and because I'm not qualified in anything, no one wanted to know. I never thought that I would ever work in a kitchen. It never crossed my mind. I loved it. From the beginning I just thought, I like this, I like the way this is going. I haven't really looked back since. When I made my first proper cake, that was the moment when it clicked for me. It was exactly like the picture on the recipe. So ever since then, I haven't stopped. You know, I make all the cakes for the restaurant and the cafe. You get such a buzz from that. Not only the fact that I can make it, it's the fact that people are enjoying it as well. My granny used to make a lot of cakes when I was a kid. She made the best Bakewell tart I've ever tried in my life. Honestly, it was so nice. And I used to go there on a Saturday and I'd look forward to it, to having a piece of this Bakewell tart. And now I can make one and it actually tastes the same as it. So I'm proud of myself for that. She's gone now, so I can carry on making that cake. Make one, it just reminds me of her every time I make it. I just feel like I can't learn fast enough as well. Like every day I just want to learn something new. I just feel really dedicated to it. My job in here now is a chef supervisor. I'm constantly learning and I'm passing my knowledge on to the other learners, the newcomers and that. It's a good atmosphere to be in. You're learning, but you're working at the same time. You're off benefits, you're getting paid, and you're learning, you're getting qualified. Every town should have one of these places, it should. The main thing for me is the amount it's built my confidence and what I've learned. The knowledge is worth more than the money, and the actual confidence that it's given me is worth more than money. Things like that are priceless, because I honestly thought that it was the end for me. Like before I started working here, I thought there was nothing left. I was a young lad and I thought it was the end of my days. But this place is, you know, it's given me a new life, completely. It's completely given me a new life. I just feel a lot better about myself now. I mean, I can't really describe to you how good I feel at this precise moment in time. It's like, it's out of this world, honestly. I just feel like I'm doing something really worthwhile, something that I do for the rest of my life, until I start my own business, or retire. You know, 5 years' time, who's to say where I could be at?
Joseph wants to be a pâtissier chef, that's what he wants to do. And he absolutely loves it. I don't think he'd even made breakfast before at home. And now he's running shifts. He's employed by Rathbone now, who I work for. He came on the ILM programme, he completed the ILM programme, and then we've employed him as a chef supervisor. So now he's training the new ILMs that are coming through. This is someone who 2 years ago didn't even come out of his bedroom. He had no confidence, rock bottom, and now he's working in a Michelin restaurant 1 day a week. He's running our kitchen here on shifts. But not only that, we've got some 16-year-old ILMs in here, and he's an inspiration to them. And basically what Taste Academy is to give people who are disadvantaged for lots of different reasons a chance to get back on board. They come on with us. They do about 20 weeks in an ongoing programme, really. Some come on in the kitchen and some come on front of house, and we train them up. So if they come in the kitchen, they get trained up in all areas of the kitchen. They leave us with an MVQ or a BTEC qualification, and then we move them on into sustainable employment or into college. It's real, isn't it? And it is making a difference. Out of the 40 that I've had through the door at the moment, ILM people, we've got 16 of those into sustainable employment. That's 16 people who 6 months ago, for whatever reason, probably didn't think they were going to work for a few years, if at all, and they're all now in proper jobs, in real jobs, getting paid employment.